Turned 17 years old, I should say young, became the youngest ARCA winner in our 56-year history. So, yeah, James Busher, he's a good driver, but he's in a very, very good race car, and he'll be strong here today from outside row 1.
All right, starting in the third spot, the Clock Chevrolet driven by Dexter Bean, and Dexter has been strong much of this year. He's had a few problems at a couple of racetracks, but overall has had a very good time, and starting from the third spot today.
Yeah, Dexter's in great shape. He's in a great machine. Didn't start the season so well, but he's really came on here lately. Had a strong run at Michigan. Had a strong run at Toledo. You may recall he was third there. Charlie, I think.